Hello everybody, Dave the Rave, Roving the Rock here. I'm not going to talk much because I don't think you'll hear me, but I'm out on a run. I've just been running from Auchencairn along the Smiddy Brae and back along the ferry bridge, over the ferry bridge to Golf Course Road. I dipped off the ferry bridge, the little bridge that goes between Auchencairn, the Smiddy Brae, Auchencairn track and the Golf Course Road. And I've walked up this little river. I've just walked up it because there's no other way of doing it. And the reason I've done it, this is me, out my run. The reason I've done it is because I wanted to show you kind of a secret waterfall. And this is it. The waterfall at the ferry bridge, Whiting Bay. Isn't that lovely? Been a lot of rain lately. It's sunny now, of course. That's lovely, isn't it? Perfect. Slightly hidden behind that tree, but that's okay. Lovely and flat at the top, uniform all the way down, and quite noisy at the bottom. And that beautiful slab of wall going straight across there, perfectly flat, like somebody's built it. Can you see that? It's like a stone wall, except for, of course, it's the cliff. All the way over there. You'll get blinded by the sun now, but it goes right up there. Just vertical cliff. Isn't that beautiful? Very few people will have stood here because you have to walk up a river to get here. There will be some, but not many. So this is a glimpse of Arran that some people don't ever get to see. A beautiful little tranquil waterfall with a little oasis below it. If I look back down there, the bridge just goes over there. The track goes over kind of just slightly higher, of course, than the river, about there, but it's hidden behind the foliage just now. It's a lovely little bridge with railings on each side and horses go over it. Well, I'm a wee bit further away from the waterfall now, as you can see. There it is, raging away over there. That's where I was standing, just on top of those stones in front of it. Here's the river. You can see I'm right in the middle of it, of course. There's my shoes. Okay, I'm standing in a river, but that's okay because it's August. I'll just turn around. Oh, without going in the river, that's the only thing. There's quite a waterfall there. Another waterfall here, just tumbling down, and another one over there as well, by the way. Can you see the bridge just going across there, the railings? I'll just show you. There. You see them? I'll go blurry when I do this, but they're across there, okay? That's the bridge there. This is the river. Beautiful, isn't it? Have another look since we're here. Beautiful. Perfect. No rubbish, no graffiti, no cars, nothing else. Just you and me in the waterfall, and that's all. Not perfect? Imagine it's got a name, of course, but I don't know what it is. But we just call it the Ferry Bridge Waterfall. think so. Okay. Dave the Rave, roving and rocking from strange places. Over and out. Cheers.